guys, there's a storm today, and it looks really bad. There's a lot of raining, and look at the trees. I'm gonna close the door. Well, the ground feels wet. So the ground feels wet. I wonder if water touched the ground. But look at this. Just look at this. Oh my God. This is ridiculous. What kind of predicament are we in right now? Oh God. Oh my God. This is so bad. Oh God. People might be having a bad day. Look at that blue car. Look at that red car. Look at the other cars. This is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Like, I mean, really realistic. What am I even saying right now? I'm just going crazy because of this really huge storm. Oh, look at this. Thanks for watching.